Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is VIVO Y17S, and in this video I am going to show you how to customize quick launch on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, and then we have to find shortcuts and accessibility option. Now here we have to click on a quick action option, and as you can see right here we can select feature that we want on our quick action, and we can choose turn on or off torch, record audio, open Facebook, or open whatever app we want. For example, I don't know, Chrome. And now that when we just gonna activate our quick launch, we're gonna open Chrome. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!